Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 17th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So the daily is definitely still down because we still have not broken structure to the upside. There is still always a chance that this makes a lower high and ends up pushing down towards one of our much lower targets. But until we get a break to the downside on a little bit of a shorter time frame, we are definitely still very bullish on the euro dollar. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I think it's roughly the 4 hour time frame that is showing us the higher highs, higher lows properly. And our most recent swing to me is right here. So if we go down to the 1 hour time frame, if it breaks below structure, which right now is right here, then I'll be more than happy to stop looking for longs and start looking for shorts again. But for now, I got my Fibonacci retracement of the last impulsive move up. I'm looking for nice Fibonacci bounces. If we do get nice Fibonacci bounces and nice engulfing moves to the upside, that I am definitely continuing to look for long every single chance I get, unless we get that nice breaker structure to the downside, which if that happens, I'll be more than happy to start looking for shorts. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.